at s equal to 0. This is the origin. Then after n seconds, it'll be here. After n minus 1 second, it'll be a different position. So here will indicate. So this will be the distance covered in for n seconds. Okay, now we'll take the distance covered by this person for n minus 1 second. So what is the time? This will be n seconds. T equal to n, I'll write it. This t will be n minus 1 second. So this is a distance covered for nth second. Sn will write it. This will indicate symbol Sn minus 1, or Sn dash will write it. For n seconds, so what is the formula for n seconds? Distance covered S is equal to un plus an square. This is what is Sn dash? Oh, this I'll write it. Distance covered for n seconds. Similarly, distance covered for n minus 1 seconds. What is Sn? Distance covered in nth second. I'll give one example so they'll be easy for you. That this you may find now very difficult. I'll give an example. Distance covered in n seconds. So that is what Sn. So what it should be equal to Sn dash minus Sn1 minus S dash n minus 1. So let's take the difference of these two. Sn dash is equal to un plus an square by 2 minus of u n minus 1. So this will be Sn is equal to un plus an square by 2 minus un plus u minus a by 2. Let me expand that, then I'll introduce the bracket. I'll open the bracket. Let me expand this. This will be n square plus 1 minus 2n. So this will be minus un plus u minus an square by 2 minus 1. This will be plus an by 2. All divided by 2 is there, no? So after expanding the bracket, okay, here I think I'm putting minus un, minus of minus plus u, an square by 2, minus an square by 2 will come, a by 2 multiplied with minus, so minus a by 2. Okay, this should be the a by 2. No? Yeah. Okay, this un and un will get cancelled out. Similarly, an square by 2, an square by 2. These two will cancel out. So what will be left over? This will be left over will be u plus a by 2 n minus 1. Okay, this sorry. This will become only an minus of plus an. So this will become a n minus 1 by 2. So there's a formula for distance covered in nth second. What is the use of this? What is the meaning of this, sir? We are not understanding, sir. You are saying distance covered in nth second. What is the meaning? What we should understand here? So let's take one small example. It'll be much easier for you. Let initial velocity of the object